Wanna remove it now? The moment.
Ice cream moment. Ay, ang laki! Ay! Ang laki!
Sweet Oreo sweet. Oreo sweet, Oreo sweet, Oreo sweet. On the boat.
Where are you going?
On the boat.
Lulu
Lulu
Island.
Island.
Hello guys, we're going Lulu Island.
With Quizian.
With Kuya Zian,
I said that first.
Tita Karen, Bab Sendo, and Daddy of course. The daddy of Kuya Zian.
Look right. It turned into
Biglaan
a
po ang lakad na
worm.
ito.
Worm.
Biglang yaya. You excited?
My bracelet turned into
Are you
a
excited?
worm. I'm excited, but my bracelet, like this, looks.
Oh.
No, it's a keychain, but I like this. It looks like a worm.
It's a pink worm.
Worm says it, and the name is Ileana Worm.
Right talaga.
Worm.
We're passing by Marina Mall.
Oh, I don't like the beach actually. I remember that I got hurt.
You have to be careful.
Well, I'm
Going Abu Dhabi Marine. What is Daddy? Marine Island.
Mommy, you could say it again.
We're here at Abu Dhabi Marina Walk. Ano yan? Carnival.
Hi!
Hi, we're going to Lulu Island.
We're going Lulu Island.
Wala mang ligo. Wisik-wisik lang.
It's been how many years, Daddy, since we went there before?
12 years.
Oo, ang tagal na. As in, ang tagal na.
12 years. That's
Oo.
12 years?
Wala pa si Eliana noon.
That's more than you. Slowly po. You might roll.
Who's excited? Who's excited? Ay, talagang dead ma ako. Hello guys, we're here in Marina Yacht. Ano to, tita?
Marina Yacht Club.
Marina Yacht Club. Na ano? Nervyoso, Daddy.
Ito yung maliit nila. Maraming bangka ito.
Careful, baby. First time nung makasakay niya.
Mga bata sa likod.
Ang pwesto niya, siya lang
Can be
makabit.
like a cruise.
Pumorma ka na dyan.
Yep. We don't have. Moving. We are moving.
Now
We are not
in the
allowed to move fast
near-
because it's gonna shake the other boats.
Eliana, tita said she wants to eat ice cream, but we will eat in Lulu Island. Gano'n kalayo.
You guys okay? You guys okay?
What is the password?
What is the password?
I cannot tell you. What is the
Usually it's
password?
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, it's 100,000.
109,000. Now we know the password. 109,000. Wanna remove it now?
We're here na on the other side.
I was thinking of taking care of it.
Yan.
Of the village.
Yung ano mo, yan your job.
Yeah, I was taking care of it. I was getting a lot of things which might suit the village, and then I made so cute things. I was also like men.
The moment.
Ice cream moment. Ayan.
What ice cream moment?
Yeah, ice cream moment.
Ayoko.
Without
Ay!
a spoon?
Ay, para maano ka muna, ma-refresh ka muna.
Ayoko eh. Red doors yan.
Ay, salbahe.
Siyan.
Siyan mo na, kuya Siyan.
Diyan kami here, baby. Eat
Daddy,
ice cream.
I want to eat ice cream.
Oh, come.
Di na
You
uulit.
can get ideas.
Masarap, daddy.
Oo, yung may resibo. One more.
Oh, one more.
Like this?
Si ate.
Oh,
Hindi, itataas ko sa. Oh, sige.
like this?
Like this.
Like this?
Put coconut and sugar.
This my style, like this. Put like this.
And
Open your mouth like this.
Try mo, tita.
Like
Masarap.
this.
There's
Yummy.
something spilled.
I know, love.
No, thank you.
May tissue kayo, ate.
Naku, wala yata nadala ang
And
daddy.
sweet, anak.
May tissue tayo dyan.
Wala.
Yung sa shawarma, walang
You
tissue.
need help?
Reklamo ko sa
Meron kami mga panyo. Hello!
I'm gonna try
We're here and tita will try the gabi with coconut.
gabi with coconut.
Wait, can you go back?
Shredded
there?
coconut with
Sugar.
sugar.
Can you go back there?
Oh, yan.
Gusto mo yung dalan? Anong tawag doon, mga kapampangan? Shoutout sa inyo.
Basta yun na yun.
Dahil ngayon ko lang ito matitikman sa tanang buhay ko.
Sana all. Sana. Si Liana may pasok ko. Ikaw may pasok ka.
Can you do this?
Alas 10 pa yan, practice lang.
Ano practice sila?
Practice na lang sila.
Practice na lang.
After ng exam, nag-practice na lang sila. Isa yan. Pumapagawa.
Recognition lang sila. Tapos sa
Wala yung
classroom
mga
lang
bata,
daw.
oh.
Saan recognition? Sa
Diyan
hagdan?
lang. Hindi ako po sure.
Yellow po dun sa...
Kuya, asama kayo sa video.
May yellow po.
Tagay.
Ganyan dito.
Tagay tayo.
Ha?
Tagay.
Dito din oh.
Merong ano ka ba? Ganyan. Lagi ako sa pre. Ikaw ka?
If I press this,
Konti lang.
if I press magnify,
Don't go in the back, monkey! Sorry guys. Yan, tama. Tsaka yung sa kabila.
What happened?
Daddy told I can put on my swimsuit, and he doesn't need this anymore.
Okay.
Can you put on my swimsuit?
You have worry. Did you bring?
Yeah, it's in Daddy's bag.
It's masikip na.
No,
Don't ligo na.
no, I'm
There
not.
is no water after.
Here, Rainbow Dash.
Nak, there is no water to, ano, to wash.
No.
Ito pre. Ito.
Baka maano ka.
Baka maano ka yan.
Nakain din yung ano.
Mommy, come. See ya.
Sabay lagi. Sige, lagyan mo na yan.
Ay, sana.
Lagyan mo ng pamain. Mamaya, picturean mo siya daw. Madami isla.
Mommy, come na.
Sayang yung kanina nahulog. Ganon din. Pumunta tayo, hindi din ako. Hindi man kailangan ni Agis. Ibaba niya ako.
O sige, I'll show you. I'll show you. Show me.
Pero na ako rin makananong pag-Agis.
O sige.
Mommy, I want
Baba,
to
Memo.
now go. It's my turn for me to do what I
O sige.
want. No, not your
I
turn
will
to
go
do
with
what
you. I will go with you.
want.
Let's take video,
No,
daddy.
my turn. Oh,
Ulit.
there. Stay there. Don't go far.
How did you make it? Oh, with a rock you did?
I love you.
Iliana? Where's the rock? I want to make one.
I love you, Eliana.
My turn, Mommy. Can I have? You pull this one backwards. Also, it's stuck. Don't do yet. Let it settle.
Maglaro doon.
Mommy, you always say it. It can be my turn.
Yeah, we will all go there later. Now it's the best time to catch the fish. Aray ko. Naiinip siya.
Pang ulam na Iliana.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, there's big one. Oh, there's big one. Wait,
I think that's the hamor.
So, pinasok na naman niya. Yun, tama na. Amor! Sabi ko sa'yo, ganda o, amor!
Ay, ang laki!
Wait! Ang laki! A tiger fish!
Very good, Kuya!
A tiger fish!
Very good!
That's your second one. The first one got...
Wow! Kuya! Tawking tayo, tawang. Uy, tangabi na ito.
Databalo. Gawin mo.
Hindi ko makakatawa.
I just said stone, and stone is a rock.
It's not wrong, but I am correct.
Kuya!
We're going home na.
No!
Watch there is
You don't
metal.
want to go home? Then stay here. Serious, dude.
Good night, guys. Bye-bye.
You said good night, so we're gonna sleep here.
No, going
Watch
home.
the metal. Tapos may villager daw na nagbi-visit. There's villager.
But then I didn't want to ask your help because I keep trying and then I look at the shapes and then I know the shapes up and then I made a banner to make it.
Nagamaya-maya, nasa second floor na siya, na roof floor na. Ako nasa sahig pa lang.
Naman, di ko maintindihan.
We're here na.
Oo, bumubula dito eh.
And this is my lap.
Wow.
My dad? You caught that? That big fella?
Put the light there.